They've waited months to get a vaccine, but now they have to wait even longer.
Yeah, tonight winter weather forced many health departments and hospitals to reschedule vaccine appointments. But one area hospital system says appointments are still on despite the storm.
News 4's Emma Hogue is live from Mercy Hospital in Creve Coeur with the details. Emma.
Sam, yeah, Mercy Hospital is saying if you have an appointment and you don't mind braving this weather, come on out and get your vaccine. But you can understand why a lot of people just aren't too crazy about doing that. The only word I can use to describe what it's like to be out here right now is just downright miserable. The snow still coming down, and you couple it with that wind, and it is just bone chilling. It hurts to be outside. Not to mention the roads are in horrible shape. We've seen plow trucks come by here several times in the last hour, and it's like they're barely making a dent. We heard Steve talk about how powdery this snow is, and it's just blowing right back on to the roadways. So easy to understand why a lot of other vaccine sites decided to delay appointments.
I was disappointed at first because I wasn't sure if they were going to get me in right away. They just said, hey, we're because of the weather, we're canceling. And I understood that, with my car and where I live and how much snow we've gotten, I knew it'd be difficult to get there. But if I could, I'd get there any way I can.
Good news for Robert Covington. His appointment in Franklin County was rescheduled to Wednesday, but every hospital and health department is handling this a little differently. SSM canceled all of its appointments today and is extending hours over the next week to get people rescheduled. The St. Louis County Health Department doubled up on appointments this morning and rescheduled all appointments this afternoon and evening to tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday. BJC also canceled all appointments today and is coordinating with patients to reschedule. St. Luke's says they scheduled extra appointments this past Saturday, anticipating this weather. All appointments there are still on for today. For those who don't want to show up, they're calling other people on their waiting list to fill those spots. Again, Mercy didn't cancel appointments either due to scheduling volume. They said it's too tough to move people around. Instead, they asked people to try coming in a little early or a little later today. If you have an appointment for today at Mercy, they know you may not be on time, but they are open until 6:30. So with a lot of appointments getting shuffled around, I asked the St. Louis County Health Department if this winter weather is setting them back.
Not significantly, because we were able to get some vaccinations done early. We're able to get the rest of them that were scheduled Monday afternoon done on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be all caught up by Wednesday.
All right, so this is surprising. Mercy says about 80% of people who had appointments today showed up. Right now, they're working with the other 20% to reschedule those appointments. But today, I also talked to one man who had an appointment to get his second dose. That appointment was canceled. So now he's a little worried because his second dose appointment that's rescheduled for next Saturday will not fall under that 21-day window. We asked medical experts what you do about that if the vaccine is still going to be effective. I'll have much more on that coming up tonight on News 4 at 6. But for now, reporting live from a very cold and very snowy Creve Coeur, Emma Hogue, News 4.
Oh, Emma, that